Hi, my name is Edward Chan and I'm an investment analyst here at Mi래에셋. And today we will talk about the autonomous driving industry in China. To discover investment opportunities around autonomous driving, we must first understand the basic architecture and key players in each segment. A complete system requires intelligence at three locations, namely on the vehicle, at the edge, and in the cloud. Most automakers work with industry partners to develop hardware and software capabilities on the vehicle, whereas telecom companies and cloud infrastructure companies are working to build the infrastructure at the edge and in the cloud to support the autonomous driving system. Domestic automakers work closely with industry partners to launch Level 3 autonomous driving vehicles in 2020-21. We see collaboration across the entire system architecture from vehicles, edge to cloud with multiple players, which show the complexity of an autonomous driving system. We think the initial trial will be conducted in closed roads and controlled environment. For example, SAIC Motor is working with Shanghai International Port Group, Huawei, and China Mobile to launch a 5G smart traffic demo area in Yangshan Port in Shanghai. And Level 4 autonomous truck with 5G connectivity are being tested in this area. So, autonomous vehicle requires sensing components to collect vital environmental data and vehicle data. And core vehicle sensing components are expected to be a $77 billion market globally by 2032. And we see two mainstream combinations of core sensors in developing an autonomous system. And the first one is a combination of LiDAR, radar, and camera, which is adopted by companies like Waymo, Baidu, AutoX, etc. LiDAR can operate in challenging lighting conditions and generate a precise 3D measurement of the environment. And the second solution is a combination of just radar and cameras, with the visual data being the primary input of the system, adopted by Tesla. As computer vision technology improves, companies like Tesla can rely on visual data collected via the camera to complete the system. The key to autonomous driving is the algorithms. Vehicles need to be able to understand, predict, and act based on information from sensing modules, network, and onboard computers. AI techniques such as machine learning are used to train different models to achieve those tasks. Baidu, Pony AI, AutoX are some of the Chinese companies focusing on autonomous driving algorithms. And companies like NavInfo, AutoNavi provide high-precision maps to support the system. On the hardware side, Horizon Robotics is developing chips for autonomous driving. C-V2X, or Commercialized Cellular Vehicle to Everything, is a communication network leveraging on 4G and 5G technologies to apply to vehicle communication. Vehicle communication with other vehicles, infrastructure, and network is crucial to achieving a high level of automation and safety. The rollout of global 5G standards, including specifications around C-V2X network. And the Chinese government published the Strategy on Innovation Development, Intelligence, and Connected Cars in February 2020, targeting a regional coverage of 4G V2X in key cities as well as highway coverage of 5G V2X network by 2025. And China Securities predict the total size of C-V2X roadside infrastructure investment to be around 63 billion RMB between 2022 and 25. Companies like Huawei, Datang Telecom, ZTE are some of the domestic players in this area. Given the large size of the dataset and significant amount of computational power required to train the autonomous driving system, hyperscale cloud companies provide driving data, training, and simulation services that will help companies accelerate the development of autonomous driving products. And the main Chinese company in this area includes Huawei, Alibaba, and Tencent. And Huawei, for example, launched the Octopus Cloud Services in 2019 and targeting to serve autonomous driving developers. The autonomous driving industry is a complex ecosystem, and the road to full automation requires collaboration across industries and countries. Chinese companies are making progress in setting the basic framework for the development of an autonomous driving system, and the Chinese government has been aggressive and supportive in pushing the technology forward. We think the development in this area will accelerate as the role of each company becomes clearer.